Tied at 5. Serving for the lead is Roca. There's another bad pass. Lipata through the triple block for the side out.
Even though it was not a good first ball, but the second ball was really good.
For Abalye. Vicar to Aceron. He's turned away. Lipata with a big block.
I think the contact of the open hitter is a bit too low already. Kaya naman naka-establish na yung blockings ng Fighting Maroons.
So Lance Perit with a serve.
Oh, no one was expecting that reverse set. Medyo na-late yung blockers, but sayang, ang ganda ng check ball. Wala lang ganun.
As he gets to serve. Nabora, short pass. Burias, picked up by Abalye. Bersano sets it up for Lipata, who is turned away, but the bounce goes outside. So UP up by 1 now. Aceron turned away again. That blocked by Lipata. That's his second block today for Rakim Aceron. And UE is within 1.
Oh!
Lipata off a running attack. Gets the side out. Abalye, one-handed set. Lipata knocks it in. 8 points for Lipata.
It was not a strong hit, but just a good placement.
Another 2-point run by UE. Lipata. Yes.
Oh.
Lipata with 9. Here in the third set compared to the first 2. Kamaymayan with a serve. Good pass by Soto. And Lipata with a side out. Lipata now in double digits with 10 along with Castrodes. And a 2-point lead once again for Aceron and the Red Warriors. Good pass by Soto. Lipata off the block.
That was a good one, but a good first ball.
Lipata drills it in. 12 points for Lipata, and we're tied at 22.
Well, a good decision from Abalye. Setting up. Vicar needs to have a good serve.
Lipata got it. 13 points for Lipata with his first point today. That's coming off a kill block. 2 in a row scored by the Fighting Maroons. A bad pass by Villanueva. Going to be a broken play. In fact, an easy over by the Red Warriors. Chance to score 3 in a row for UP. Lipata does just that.
Take a look at that again.